This is INFINIX Note 40 Pro, and today I'll show how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So in the beginning, lock your screen, then take your INFINIX phone out of the phone case, if it is in one of course. Then equip yourself with an SIM injection tool. Usually you'll get it alongside the phone in the box, so if you didn't know that, look there. In my case, I have this unfolded paper clip, which should do just fine. At the bottom part of your phone, you'll find the SIM card tray. So slide this SIM injector into this little hole here, and then push it in. As you can see, the SIM card tray popped right out. So using your fingers or nails, inject it all the way. Then you have 2 slots for a SIM card. Take your nano SIM, align its rounded corner with the rounded corner you have at the tray or on the tray, and then simply return the SIM card tray back inside the phone, aligning this hole to the left. And well, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.